Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Did you know that Snapchat can remember the places you've been if you've enabled location tracking? If you want to clear that history and protect your privacy, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete location data. Stay until the end of this video and find out how to quickly and easily remove all traces from your account. So find your Snapchat app and open it. Once you're in Snapchat, in the top left corner of the screen, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. When you're on your profile page, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on the gear icon to open settings. Once you're in Snapchat settings, scroll down and find the map option. When you find it, tap on it. When you open the map option, you'll see the option to clear your location history. Tap on it and then in the pop-up window that appears, tap the clear button. After doing this, your location history will be successfully deleted. All data about the places you've visited while location tracking was on will be removed, enhancing your privacy on Snapchat. That's it, your location history is now cleared. Like this video if it was helpful, share it with your friends and consider subscribing to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching, see you soon.